Welcome students. Today we are going to learn from Geography 6th lesson, Man and Environment. Learning object is to know the components of environment, to understand the various features of human environment interaction, to know various settlement pattern, to know the different economic activities of man, to understand the environmental effects of human behavior. Environment is a set of relationship between man and nature. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, meaning encircle or surrounded. Environment includes both living and non-living components. Man and environment. Early man developed entirely on nature for food, clothing and shelter. Man has enjoyed a dominant position over other living organisms around him because of his erect posture, hands and intelligence. From the Paleolithic period to the Neolithic period, man has invented and developed the wheel, fire, tools and patterns of agriculture and housing to his comfort, which led to him improve the standard of living, making himself technologically advanced. Thus, modern man modified the environment where he multiplied in numbers to increase population and has always extended to his territories, leading to the exploitation of natural resources. Classification of environment. Environment is generally classified as natural environment, human environment and man-made environment. Natural environment. It includes natural resources, weather, climatic condition, port facilities, topographical factors such as soil, sea, rivers, rainfall, etc. Natural environment. Nature is the source of raw materials for the production of a product. The raw materials may be renewable, infinite or depleting. The raw materials should be preserved and wastage must be minimized. Pollution should be minimized to preserve the ecology. Marketers in the current scenario try to go green and promote the eco-friendly concept. Idea promoters say paper. Many companies are promoting the Go Green campaign. Human environment. Human environment is defined as the interaction between man as an individual with his family, occupation and society. It is also related to various cultural aspects such as education, religion, economics and politics. People also must learn to live with aspects of the environment that do not change, climate, soil, etc. Interaction between people and their environment can shape culture. Man-made environment. Man-made environment has been created by man himself for the purpose of fulfilling his needs and to make his life more convenient and easy. For example, building, transport, park, industry, monument, etc. To bring an equilibrium between man and the environment, man has to study the distribution of population, availability of resources, development in technology, alternate means of fulfilling the increasing demand created by the growing population and other man-made features. Meaning of population. The literal meaning of population is the whole number of people or inhabitants in a country or region. In simple words, it could be defined as increase in birth rates and decrease in death rates. Human beings are important to develop the economy and society. The Latin word populus means people. Population is the total number of people living together in a particular place at the given point of time. Population growth. It is easy to add but difficult to maintain. Population is a dynamic phenomenon where the number, distribution, and composition are constantly changing. Human population increases as babies are born and decreases as people die. For most of the human history, birth have only slightly exceeds death every year. As a result, human population grow slowly. What is demography? In ancient Greek, demos means people and graphis means study of measurement. So, demography is the statistical study of human population. Natural increase of population is the difference between the birth rate and death rate. In fact, population is always increasing, but only in very rare cases it may decreases through natural or man-made disasters such as famine, landslides, earthquake, tsunami, epidemic, extreme weather conditions and war. Population change refers to an increase or decrease in the population of an area influenced by the number of birth, death, and migration. The population of the world doubled from 500 million in 1650 to 1000 million in 1850. The projected population for 2025 and 2050 is the about 8 million and 9 million respectively. Population growth refers to an increase in the number of people who are reside in a particular area during a particular census. Census is an official enumeration of population carried out periodically. It records information about the characteristic of population such as age, sex, literacy, and occupation. Different countries of the world conduct census every 5 to 10 years as recommended by the United Nations. The first known census was undertaken nearly 6,000 years ago by the Babylonians in 3800 BC. Denmark was the first country in the modern world to conduct a census. In India, the first census was carried out in the year 1872. Censuses have been conducted regularly every 10th year since 1881. The Indian census is the most comprehensive source of demographic, social, and economic data. Population growth refers to an increase in the number of people who are reside in a particular area during a particular period. Population increases when there are more birth and immigration. It decreases when there are more deaths and emigration. Population growth can be calculated. Distribution of population. Factors influencing population growth. Population distribution refers to the way in which people are spread out across the Earth's surface. The world population is not uniformly distributed owing to the following factors: physical factors, historical factors, economic factors, etc. Physical factors. Physical factors include temperature, rainfall, soil, relief, water, natural vegetation, distribution of minerals, and availability of energy resources. Historical factors. Regions with historical importance, war, and constant invasions fall under historical factors responsible for the population distribution. Economic factor. Countries who are in the early stage of economic development tend to have higher rates of population growth. In agriculturally based societies, children are seen as potential income earners. From an early age, they can help with household tasks and collecting the harvest. Also, in the societies without state pensions, parents often want more children to act as an insurance for their old age. It is expected children will look after parents in the old age because child mortality rates are often higher. Therefore, there is a need to have more children to ensure the parents have sufficient children to look after them in old age. Educational institutions, employment opportunities, manufacturing industries, luxurious amenities, trade and commerce, and other facilities encourage dense population in an area. Density of population. Density of population refers to the number of people living per square kilometer. An area is said to be sparsely populated when it has a large area with less number of people. Similarly, smaller the area with a large number of people, it is said to be densely populated. Population density equal to total population by total land area. The world's population density is divided into three main groups. Area of high density, above 50 people per square kilometer. East Asia, South Asia, Northwest Europe, and Eastern North America. Areas of moderate density, 10 to 50 people per square kilometer. The subtropical regions like Angola, Congo, Nigeria, and Zambia in Africa. Areas of low density, less than 10 people per square kilometer, Central Africa, Western Australia, Northern Russia, Canada, etc. The distribution of population in India is quite uneven because of the vast variation in the availability of resources. Population is mostly concentrated in the regions of industrial centers and good agricultural lands. Terrain, climate, soil, water bodies, mineral resources, industries, transport, and urbanization are the major factors which affect the distribution of population in our country. Uttar Pradesh is the most population state in the country with a population of 199.5 million, followed by Maharashtra 112.3 million, Bihar 103.8 million, West Bengal 91.3 million, and the combined Andhra Pradesh and Telangana 84.6 million. These five states account for about half of the country's population. Sikkim is the least populous state of India, 0.61 million. Delhi with 16.75 million population tops among the union territories. Population composition refers to the characteristics such as age, sex, status, caste, religion, language, education, occupation, etc. The study of composition of population helps us to understand the social, economic, and demographic structure of population. Age of composition. The age of composition of population refers to the number of people in different age groups in a country. Population of a nation is generally grouped into three broad categories. In India, the children who are less than 15 years of age constitute 29.5%, and the people above 60 years constitute 8.0%. So the dependent population in India is 37.5%, and the independent population 16 to 59 years is 62.5%. It shows that our country has enormous manpower. Sex ratio is defined as the number of females per thousand male population. According to 2011 census, the sex ratio of the country is 940 female per thousand males. This suggests that size of female population is lower than the males. It is 1084 in Kerala and 1038 in Puducherry, and lowest sex ratio is recorded in the Union Territory of Daman and Diu. Natality, the birth rate, which is ratio of total live birth to the total population in a particular area over a specified period of time. Mortality, the death rate, which is also ratio of the total number of deaths to the total population. Immigration, the number of organisms moving into area occupied by the population is called immigration. Emigration, the number of organisms moving out of the area occupied by the population is called emigration. Effects of population explosion. Overpopulation. It is a condition where population surges to a level that the earth cannot accommodate comfortably and poses a threat to the environment. Occupational structure. Economically active part of a country's population is enumerated during the census operations and stated that as workers are placed under threefold categories in census recorded. They are main workers, marginal workers and non-workers. According to the census of India, all those who had worked for the major part of the preceding years, that is 6 months or 183 days, are recorded as the main workers. Those who work for the less than the 6 months are recorded as marginal workers, and the people who have not worked at all comes under the non-workers. In developing countries like India with a backward economy and little scope for fruitful employment, millions of people find no work to do. Literacy rate. The people able to read and write are known as literates. It is an important indicator of quality of people. The percentage of literate people to the total population is termed as literacy rate. There has been a steady improvement in the literacy levels in India. India's literacy rate as per 2011 census is 74.04%. From this literacy rates of male is 82.14% and female is 65.46%. It shows that still there is a vast gap between male and female literacy rate. Kerala ranks the first in this country with literacy rate of 93.91%, followed by Andaman and Lakshadweep with 92.28%. The lowest literacy rate is found in Bihar, 63.82%. Population explosion is the key reason for the illiteracy rate in India. Because of illiteracy, people are not caring the environment. Poor health. When there is high population growth, people do not get adequate food and nutrition. Then they may suffer from poor health. Problems of overpopulation. In India, growing pressure of population on resources base created many socio-economic, cultural and political, ecological and environmental problems. The population problems vary in space and time and differ from region to region. Some of the major issues created by the overpopulation in our country are overcrowding, unemployment, and underemployment, low standard of living, malnutrition, mismanagement of natural and agricultural resources, unhealthy environment, etc.